Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Saturday, May 9th, 2020. It is 5:32 and 7 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I just want to say I'm very proud of myself. I did a quick and diligent touch-up on my PCB board using precision components, and it worked on the first attempt. Pretty incredible. Let's take a look at what I've been working on here. Hi. As you can see here, my PCB board is nearly complete. This is my third session. I have a few more to touch up on. Well, my tools are all cleaned up for next session, and I got a silicone soldering mat there. It goes up to 500 degrees Celsius. And as you can see over here, I got my 20 IC kit in the mail. It's cost me about 99 cents and $2 shipping from AliExpress, which took about 5 weeks to come in. And some IC sockets over there. My lead-free solder and 24 gauge wire, 50% alcohol. My exhaust system over here. My camera setup for recording. Computer, my needle nose pliers, clippers, and wire strippers. And over here I got my soldering station, which I like to set at 350 degrees Celsius. Seems to work very well. As you can see there, it's set to 350 degrees Celsius, ready to go. Well, this shouldn't take too long. It's going to be a quick session. So let's get started here. Good day, lights, camera, action. Well, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD on infectious disease and microbiology. Well, this time around I use precision resistors on my PCB board, so when I plug in my oscilloscope I should get a better quality reading. Well, I hope you enjoyed listening. Until next session, have a great day.